Hi everybody, this is Riyad Kasim with ZBrush.com. I'm a freelance artist based in Johannesburg, South Africa. I specialize in creating concept design and illustration using a mixture of 2D and 3D techniques, working with ZBrush for 3D sculpting, Keyshot for rendering, and Photoshop for compositing and digital painting. In this video series, I will go through creating a bust for a mech character design concept in ZBrush, going through the various workflows and techniques I use for creating mechs. I will start off by going through the basic tools and brushes within ZBrush. Then I will go into the blocking in of the character, working in the different parts of the design, and going into hard surface sculpting, adding in additional features to the mech and refining the sculpt. I hope you get to learn some techniques from this series, and thanks for watching.